Hey guys, I hope you had as much fun watching my little shenanigans as I had making it. I thought we'd do something different for the DecoCrated unboxing. This is the Fall 2020 unboxing. The special pop-up Halloween box is coming next, so make sure you're subscribed and following on Instagram and here on YouTube so that you can see when that pops up. But let's get this guy out of the way. So, DecoCrated Fall has the cutest little pumpkin spice latte for the framed art, and then it even has a little bit of Halloween to it. So if you didn't get the Halloween box, you were not left out. They've still got you taken care of. Y'all have seen my little token white frame. I put these in. I just love these little arts. Good stuff. They killed it. And I know I say that every time, but it's just what it is. It's amazing. They killed it. They knocked it out of the park. So, I'm going to show you my favorite item first. I am in love with this guy. I feel like it's unique, it's different, it's fun, it's versatile, it's so fall appropriate, but it's so summer appropriate and spring appropriate. I like when the pieces can really kind of match my style in different places. This is something I would use indoor and outdoor, which is another thing that I love. So here you go. It can hang, obviously. It can sit. It can lay. It's great. And this little tag here on the back says handcrafted. I am one of a kind. I was handcrafted by a master artist, and therefore I will have subtle variations and blemishes. That is one of the things that I love. I get really perturbed with the manufactured look, which is why I'm putting the rattan and cane all through my house, but I didn't order it from a big box store. I want it to look as organic and natural as it was meant to be. Next is something different for DecoCrated. A table runner. Look! It's so cute. I love that it's kind of this black and whitish look, so I could transition this into a Halloween look really easy, but it's also got this fall print, which makes it super, super cute. It's polyester and cotton, and it says machine wash cold. Thank you, DecoCrated. Thank you for providing us something we can wash. I literally returned a whole slew of things the other day because it was hand wash and air dry, and I'm like, ain't nobody got time for that. I like that piece before I even knew that. To go along with that guy is this guy. And oh my gosh, as soon as I pulled this out, I had the perfect Christmas theme. I had the perfect creepy finger Halloween theme. Then I was like, oh my gosh, fall with the pumpkins around it. Then I was like, oh, for summer, I'll put my succulent. I just, once again, it's another piece that is so versatile. Now in my house, I have main colors. I have natural woods. I have blacks and golds. So these are trending with what I do through my home. Do y'all remember the Christmas trees from DecoCrated? It wasn't Christmas, it would have been Winter Box 2019. They brought that concept back in a better version, in my opinion, with these pumpkins. Can y'all see the stem on there? It looks like a real pumpkin stem. It's not like this perfectly flawless. It just looks so organic and I love it. They are hard, but they're finished with this like velvety material, which makes them have so much texture and life. Okay, you guys, check this out. So this is a crate, like an apple crate. So cute, right? It's big, it's sturdy, it's hardy. It has a replaceable front. So you just get 2 Phillips screwdrivers and you can pull out the screws and put this guy in its place. I opened this and was way in love, was just so, so excited. Then when I found this, I was like, oh my gosh, they did it again. They made it even better than I would have ever thought to do. So very, very, very much crushing on this. This cute little sign came right in behind it. It says Our Happy Place. Once again, really kind of making you fall in love with fall again and bringing happiness into the home, which I am filming this during COVID. So I think we need happy, literally and figuratively speaking, put in our home. So I love that. And then last but not least is the sign y'all saw earlier on the fireplace. Falling leaves, harvest breeze, bonfire nights, hot chocolate mornings, cuddles and snuggles, grateful hearts, autumn skies, pumpkin pies, and everything nice. So I had these pieces all throughout the little tour we did before I unboxed it so that you guys could see these pieces in play. However, I did go back. I want you to check them out here. Here is a pan and some up close of how I used each of these items in my home. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Super cute, right? Are you enjoying these pans? I am just so impressed with all the items. You guys, DecoCrated is $79.99 a quarter, but you can prepay in advance, and for all 4 boxes across all 4 quarters is $287.99. So you get all 4 seasons for less than $300. Of course, if you subscribe through me, I give you $10 off 1 box and $30 off an entire year. So basically just sign up for the year. You deserve it. You get 6 to 8 home decor pieces that can be displayed together in one room or displayed individually throughout your house. And as you can see here, I have it in my entry, I have it in my living, I have it in my dining, and I'm actually gonna steal one of the pieces and take it to my office. There is an exclusive curated online store, which y'all have seen my metal baskets that are on the fireplace, as well as watching this video here, the mirror on the wall. Those are pieces from the DecoCrated store. So they have the online store you can shop in that is exclusive. They have the DecoCraters page, and they have Deco Hacks page. So these women who are just so brilliant get on and like retrofit these things into the looks for their home, or they spice it up for different seasons, and then they share it with us. I'm not quite that creative. I'm a more literal girl as an Enneagram 8. I get it. I love it. I keep it. So you would want to join both of those pages so that you can play with all their ideas. They're so forthcoming and sharing. And so yeah, it's really more of a community. I call them my DecoCrated family because let me think about this. I think I'm over 2 years worth of boxes. So as soon as it comes in, I swap my living room and mantle every month and a half because most of these items are dual-sided. They have 2 different looks, so I can swap 2 to 4 times per box. It's awesome. If you guys have any questions, please message me. Message me on Instagram or leave a comment below, and I would love to answer them for you. I would love to know out of these items which one is your favorite item. If you can, comment below, and if you guys will like this video. I always feel so weird asking you to like the video, but I know when I'm watching YouTube videos and they remind me, I'm like, oh yeah, I do want to like this video. It's just really encouraging for me as well as the people I work with, like DecoCrated. You guys, I hope that you have the most wonderful fall, and I'll see you guys later. Bye y'all.